Nobody wants an SUV where you keep pouring your money into repairs or maintenance, so let's help you avoid that. All you have to do is stick to the end of this video. If you're planning on buying an SUV to hold onto for a long time, then this video is for you. We'll be taking a look at 10 SUVs that you might want to reconsider their purchase whether used or new. This list was made by considering everything from their reliability to their build quality and cost of repairs. Basically everything you need to watch out for in an SUV. So, these are 10 SUVs you should cross off your list for 2023. Number 10. Nissan Pathfinder. Well, you can say that the present generation of the Nissan Pathfinder is not what brought it to this list, but the previous generations. Boy oh boy, did they experience a lot of problems. First, the CVT automatic transmission on this SUV is prone to slip and jerk over time. Most of these cases end up needing the replacement of the transmission. Complaints have also been coming from the drivers that the interior door handle on this SUV tends to break easily. If you own a Nissan and you've always been angry at yourself for these defects, please don't, because it's not you, it's the SUV. It's very low quality. But what's even lower is number 9 on this list. Number 9. Jeep Wrangler. Although Jeep Wrangler SUVs hold a special place in the hearts of many Americans, I hate to break it to you, but its reliability is just not it. Wranglers are also known to not age well, so buying a used version might not be the best decision. A problem that has always ravaged the Wrangler is its electrical issues. According to Consumer Reports, in order to stay safe, you should avoid the 2012 to 2015 model years of Jeep Wrangler and also 2018 to 2020. The 23 Jeep Wrangler is a funny model to us, because despite this SUV being loud, uncomfortable, impractical, and unreliable, it's one of the more impressive off-road vehicles on the market today. Number 8. Subaru Ascent. The Subaru Ascent. To set records straight, the Ascent was one of the lowest ranked SUVs by Consumer Reports in their annual reliability study, and this was due to numerous issues. Consumer Reports noted that the Ascent's transmission problems caused clutch adjustment issues. It also struggled with a battery drain issue that occurred while the tailgate was open, among many other problems. To be on the safe side and to avoid spending a lot of money on repairs, we would advise you to steer clear of used models altogether and go for a brand new one. At least you're protected with a warranty for some time. Over the years though, the Ascent has gotten better in terms of reliability, but its track record isn't so good. So my advice, stay away. Number 7. Volkswagen Atlas. At least with the Ascent, a brand new version still had a pass, but with the Volkswagen Atlas, both the new and used versions, it'd be best if you'd stayed away altogether. Volkswagen introduced the Atlas in the US in 2017 as a 3-row midsize SUV with impressive towing capacity. But high repair bills and a low rank on Consumer Reports' annual reliability study have given it a bad reputation. One of the most common issues owners have complained about is that the 12-volt battery keeps dying whilst driving, and this happens without any prior warning, causing the entire vehicle to shut down, making braking and steering impossible. So to be safe, maybe you should steer clear of both this vehicle and the number 6 on the list. Number 6. Ford Explorer. When it comes to reliability, the Ford Explorer is pretty far below average. The biggest problems seem to be related to the body's integrity, electronics, power equipment, and transmission. And the maintenance costs on this SUV are through the roof. The Ford Explorer costs about $732 to maintain on an annual basis. This figure is a little high because the average cost to maintain a vehicle is $651. High repair bills, high pricing, and a low reliability ranking are enough reasons to stay clear of this SUV. And if you've gotten this far, you can help us out by liking the video and subscribing to the channel with those notifications on. We talk all things SUV, helping you make the right choice the next time you visit your dealer. Number 5. Audi Q7. This German SUV is wrapped up in luxury and quality materials, and I can understand if it catches your attention at the dealership. But before you go ahead and splash that cash at the dealership, you might want to know about its reliability issues. If you're getting the Q7 brand new, then you're good for at least the first 3 to 4 years. But immediately after that, issues kick in. The used version is an entire no-go area. Engine misfiring problems, knock sensor issues, and fuel leakages are some of the common problems owners have encountered. Although the base purchase price might be low, but when it comes to long-term reliability, zero. Absolutely zero. Number 4. BMW X5. Everyone knows how expensive it can be to repair BMWs, and the X5 is right among the lot. What you expect from a luxury SUV is fast but sporty handling, but with a BMW, that's certainly not what you get. A brand new version can get you far, but the used version of this car, I wouldn't wish it on my enemy. It could be frustrating to drive at times with some parts already needing repair at just 59,000 miles. Road noise penetrating the cabin, engine overheating, transmission issues, engine misfires, and oil leakage were among the issues reported by owners. Number 3. Volvo XC90. Once upon a time, Volvos were the embodiment of reliable vehicles in America, but that time is no more because the latest generation XC90 that hit the scene in 2016 seems to have missed the memo. This SUV has such a poor reputation for reliability, almost at the bottom of the list on Consumer Reports' annual reliability studies. And let's not forget the hefty repair bills that come with owning a Volvo once the warranty period has expired. If you truly need a used luxury SUV that won't wreck you in maintenance and repair costs, you should consider the Acura MDX. But definitely not number 2 on the list. Number 2. Mercedes GLE. Where do we start? First, the Mercedes GLE was 2022's least reliable SUV on Consumer Reports. It's supposed to be a luxury SUV that draws you in with fancy looks, but its issues were all over the place. Issues like minor engine problems, as well as electrical systems and climate controls. Owners also complained about the body integrity, hardware, and in-car electronics. An SUV that was the least reliable SUV for 22? I think you should stay away from it. Number 1. Any Land Rover SUV. And for number 1, that's right, any Land Rover SUV you see. I know, it might be a bit harsh canceling out a whole brand. But Land Rover is known for their bad reliability, and I'm still surprised people shell out money to buy them. In fact, I laugh anytime I see one on the road. Land Rover and reliability can't be used in the same sentence. Whether you're buying used or new, you'll definitely encounter reliability issues. Most people who buy them are for the most part die-hard fans, since the brand has one of the biggest followings worldwide. Now, to clarify for the SUVs on this list, not every single person that buys them will encounter these issues. But most people who bought them have rated them as unreliable. You could be the exception, and you could buy one of these things and nothing happens. Fine. But it's better to be safe than sorry. When you plan on getting a new or used car, the right thing is to do your own research. Learn more about the car you want to buy by watching our videos, because you want to be informed about the model, and you have to know what to expect from them. Don't trust too many dealers out there because they'll always try to sell their product. Due diligence is needed to get the right deal. So, let me ask you this. Would you still take the leap and go ahead and buy or lease these SUVs? Why don't you let us know in the comments below. And if you had a good time, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already with us. You guys drive safe out there, have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one.